but it is they tell us that dragons can be beaten. To build up a library is to create a life. It's never just a random collection of books.
In library, you will find answer you are looking for.
A book is like a key to unknown chamber within the castle of one's own self. If you only read books that everyone else is reading, you can only think what everyone else is thinking. Reading takes us away from home, but more importantly, it finds home for everyone.
A library is hospital of mind.
A library is full of new worlds to be traveled. Google can bring you back one black answer, but a library can bring you back the right one. The more that you read, the more will you know. The more you learn, the more places you'll go.
Some books have to be tasted, others swallowed, and some to be chewed and digested.
A library isn't a shrine for worship of books. It is always a delivery room for birth of new ideas. Books make great gifts because they have whole world inside them, and it's much cheaper to buy somebody a book than it is to buy them a whole world. The journey of lifetime starts with the turning of a page. Thank you.